Hey guys, this is Henry here again. All right, a lot of people have been facing errors, too many errors while trying to sell their shit coins on pancake swap. In this video, I want to show you how to bypass all these errors you've been facing. So let's say, for instance, if you check the first coin showing here on my list, it's NFT art. So let's say, for instance, I want to sell NFT art. Now let's quickly go on pancake swap. So we want to locate NFT art, then we want to sell NFT art to BNB. Okay, okay, I want 0.08 BNB. All right, now let me click swap, accept, swap. Look at this error. The transaction cannot succeed due to error pancake K. This is probably an issue with one of the token you are swapping. This is not true. There is no issue. Now let me show you what the problem is. It's not even slippage. If you increase slippage tolerance, nothing will happen. Let me show you. Now the slippage is on 15. Let me even put it to 30. Let's try it again. Swap, confirm swap, the same issue. Okay, let me still even increase it to 35. So you should know it's not the slippage. 35, swap. Can you see the same error? No matter how you reduce and do the slippage, nothing will happen. Now should I show you what the issue is? Now if you look at this, the top part here where we have the NFT art, you see from estimated. Now you want to make sure that this estimated is under here, the BNB. And how is that going to happen? This is just the secret to it. You see this number here, just tap it. Once you tap, wait, I'm coming, let me go back again. 0.08. now you want to tap here, this figure, and minus that 0. You see, as you minus the 0, the estimated dropped down to BNB. So just add anything, maybe 1, just add 1. As you can see, the estimated is still below the BNB. Do you get? I was going to do 0.08. As you can see, it's still 0.08. Can you see? And the estimated is now under the BNB. Now let's click OK. Now let's click swap. Let's see what will happen. Can you see, guys? Can you see, guys? Can you see, guys? That is just it. This is how you sell your shitty coin. So a lot of people have been passing through issues. They have been going through problems. They don't know how to go about it. But this is just the simple way to go about it. As you can see, I've sold. Look at contract successful. It just gave me a success. Now let's go and check. Let me see the transaction. I swapped 50 something million, I don't know, NFT to 0.08 BNB. Now let's go back and check if that actually happened. It actually did happen. As you can see, my NFT art has moved from number 1 to number 3. And as you can see, my smart chain, I have $65 right now on my smart chain. So that is just it, guys. Simple and short. If this video has been helpful, can you please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.